Hi, Jennifer Penrose here, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about low back pain and some things you can do right away to ease that. So one of the things that you can do that's really helpful is doing some deep breathing. It really helps to calm down the nervous system. So you take a deep breath in through the nose, nice and slow as you can, slow it down. And then exhale through the mouth really slowly and prolong that exhale as long as you can, thinking about depressing your rib cage. When you depress that rib cage, you really can cause that diaphragm muscle to lengthen and work. And when we do that, it helps ease some of the tension in our low back. So you're gonna do this repetitively. You can do it laying down. That's usually the best thing to do. Make sure you watch that you don't raise your shoulders, that those don't rise up. So you're not breathing with these accessory muscles in your neck. When you're tense, that's a real common thing to do. It's more like belly breathing, using your diaphragm muscle, kind of close to your core muscles, okay? So you're gonna take a deep breath in through the nose, very slowly, and breathing softly. That'll make you have to work a little more. And then breathe out slowly and softly and prolong that exhale. So when you think you're at the end of the exhale, count to another 4 seconds and really try to slow it down. And think about bringing those ribs down and in a little longer, and you'll feel some effort with that, with your core. Try that for a couple minutes. So it's diaphragmatic breathing. We spend a lot of our time in our day in stress mode, so fight or flight mode, where we breathe really shallow, we're really tense, adrenaline's always going. So even little things, your phone beeping at you, emails pinging at you, the day, just interactions, we're very up at this high level, responding to stimulus all around us, noises. We don't spend a lot of time calming down and into our, what we call rest and digest phase, and letting our nervous system calm down, bring our blood pressure down, our heart rate down, our cortisol hormone level, stress level down. So it can really have a pretty good impact on your overall health to do some deep breathing, and it can help with your back pain. So that would be probably like number 1 on the list, deep breathing for several minutes, a couple times a day. The other thing that can really help is icing your back. Laying down and putting your legs up on a couple pillows to decompress the spine. We think about when we hurt our knee or our ankle, to prop our ankle up or our foot up or our knee up, get the weight off of it and elevate it and ice it and take the load off. The spine needs to be decompressed, and the only way to do that is to lay down. So you lay down, put your feet up on a bolster or a couple pillows, ice underneath your low back, about 15 minutes, twice a day. That will help your back muscles relax. You can do your deep breathing in that position. You'll feel better after doing it. It may not make everything go away. I'm not saying you'll be cured, but it does help to do that a couple times a day. I'm not an advocate for bed rest, so this is just a 15-minute little break to ease the tension and to keep going with your day. So twice a day, maybe 3 if you're miserable. And then just gentle walking. That's really good to help keep the back moving, but not too stressful. So if all you can handle is a 5-minute walk, then that's all you do. So start with where you can. We're happy to help. So reach out to us if you want to learn more and have more questions. We're happy to help. We see a lot of back pain at our clinic. So, and we even have on my podcast, the Stay Healthy South Sound podcast, I interviewed a patient that really thought, is this it? Am I going to have surgery? I don't know that I'm going to make it past this, so, and she tells her story. So you can find it on the Stay Healthy South Sound podcast, where I interview a patient on her journey with low back pain with us, and she is doing well. All right, thanks, and have a great day.